I'm Neema Kataria, Managing Partner at Hunt & Harris Real Estate. In terms of investing in Ras Al Khaimah, apartments for us are definitely more popular. There's a couple of reasons for that. One is obviously price point. So you can get a sea view studio for the price of 250,000, whereas the townhouses and the villas are a lot more expensive. And also the fact that there's more apartments than there are villas. So as an example, in Al Hamra, there's 4,000 properties, but only a small proportion of that would be townhouses and villas. The most popular areas in Ras Al Khaimah for rent would be Al Hamra as well as Al Marjan Island. The same would apply for sales, again, Al Hamra Village as well as Al Marjan Island. To be honest though, we only focus on the freehold areas, so those are our primary areas that we focus on as opposed to the non-freehold and the units in the city. In terms of return on investment in RAK, it really depends on your strategy. So number one would be where you want to be. Number two would be, whether you're looking for a cash or finance purchase. Number three is whether you're going to do short-term or long-term rentals. But if you were looking for a hard and fast figure, then I would probably say it ranges between 7 to 9%. For first-time property buys in RAK, we would definitely suggest, number one, you do your homework. Number two is choose the right agent. So I would always advise that you do a little bit of homework, look at their testimonials, look at their Google reviews, and also find out how long they've been in the business. It's not the same as it is in the UAE, where you have unified tenancy contracts or Form A's, Form B's and Form C's, where you've got a government contract that you're completing. Over there, it is depending on the agent that you use as to what documentation you would get provided with. So definitely you need to be very, very aware of who you're working with, as well as making sure that they're regulated, as well as having a bank guarantee with the government. A lot of the newer companies don't actually have those in place, so I would definitely suggest that you do your homework. And the third item would be to ensure that you have an exit strategy in place. We don't really expect the RAK property market to change very much. It does fall in line generally with Dubai trends. So when the prices drop in Dubai, they tend to drop in Ras Al Khaimah, because again, there are implications to when prices drop in Dubai. A lot of people in Ras Al Khaimah decide to move back to Dubai because the cost of living has come down. However, I'd say there's a lot of interesting things happening in Ras Al Khaimah. So you have the new Anantara, you've got the Rove, you've got EMA, you've got the address projects. I think all of that is going to add so much value. It's going to enhance tourism, and as well as providing maybe a better or a little bit of a higher quality of life to those looking for a bit of an extravagant experience, which Dubai offers. We really appreciate the value that Bayut have been giving us over the recent months. Most recently, they did a Facebook Live for us. I think that added a lot of interest to Ras Al Khaimah, especially for those who are not actually aware of Ras Al Khaimah. We get a lot of valuable training sessions from Bayut. We really enjoy Caroline's training sessions because she's really on point and she's introducing new stuff. I think that's, for us, it's always important to keep training our staff. So if we have an alternative, in addition to our in-house training, I think that's always valuable for us, as well as the ongoing support that we have. I'm getting regular phone calls to follow up on how Bayut are delivering quality products to us, as well as the portals and the listing quality that's being offered. Winter in Dubai, summer in the UK. Fully fitted home theatre, hate the sand. Skyscraper apartment. That's a tough one, Ferrari. Sweet popcorn. Facebook, always text. Fruit, always shopping in a store. iPhone, all day long.